first coat of glitter. So this cup was applied with epoxy method. Doesn't matter if you use Mod Podge or Loctite or epoxy or whatever you're going to use to stick the glitter on. It's dry, it's being sealed if that's what you're doing, i.e. if it's more than one color or if it's chunky glitter that might repel the epoxy. So when it is done, when you're doing a glitter coat, we want to do a nice thick layer of epoxy. So where I would normally do 7 mils of each, 14 mils total for a 20-ounce cup, on this, I'm actually going to do 10 mils of each, so 20 mils total. If you're doing a 30-ounce cup, you'll probably do 12 or 13 mils of each type, so 23 to 25 mils of epoxy total kind of thing. The cup, I've done 10 mils of each epoxy. Now I'm just going to apply it. I like to start at the top, then do the bottom, and then do the in-between parts. Just because the top and bottom can be a little harder to do, it's nice to have more epoxy to do it with. All right, you're going to let this dry for 4 to 6 hours. Check out our curing video to determine exactly how long, and then you can let it dry for the remainder of the time in a drying rack.